All right, what's up? Typical YouTuber here today. We are going to show you what you can do with a potato gun. It's a cheap Amazon one, and we got a homemade one. We're just gonna shoot it at a few things. If you wanna see me eat an entire raw potato, hit that damn sub button. That's how you're gonna see it in the next video.
You guys ready for this?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It blew up. Hey, some of this water, boys.
Look at this dude.
The look of thirst.
You're thirsty as hell.
Chug, chug, chug.
Oh my gosh.
Yeet.
Hey, when you're at the golf course, boy.
We got our classic, genuine Faygo Cola.
This is gonna blow.
Faygo Cola versus a potato. Let's go. Direct hit, but the Faygo survived.
We might have to hit it with the 1-2.
Let's hit it with the shotgun blast. I think he actually kind of did it. That's how you celebrate. Who needs champagne?
Let's go, dude.
We celebrate with Faygo here.
Dude, look at this dude.
So,
Let's go. We got
potato beats Faygo. A champion deserves a champion's cup and a champion's drink. Oh yeah. Just,
Might as well.
Who cares if it overflows?
oh. Okay, I may have overfilled it.
I think. This John.
Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
If you thought I was gonna chug that, you've clearly never watched any of our previous videos. All right, filled to the brim.
It's got to be to the brim, boys.
Joey's getting us ready.
Joey had a stupid idea and I approve.
All right, let's see what happens if we do this.
Oh my god! I just got so.
It just rained soda.
Wait.
You're gonna get the potato out?
Don't waste all the Faygo.
Oh, there
no.
it is. Oh my god!
Y'all ever eat a Faygo flavored potato?
Faygo potato. You've met your match, Faygo.
Oh!
It survived.
What?
People are tweaking about the dollar store. That's high quality, right?
Yeah, this is dollar store material.
Oh yeah.
Oh
I like
yeah!
how it's
Oh my!
3, 2,
Oh,
1.
More power.
3, 2, 1.
Oh! We got it to move.
I didn't
Wait,
think
that didn't break. What the?
All right, guys, I'm gonna go deep into the woods to find it.
I'm telling you, if you spent good money on glass, it wouldn't be as durable as this dollar store base.
Dude, bro, what?
Ancient artifact.
This thing is alive, bro.
I'm out. Let's touch this to the positive. Let that just start a relay. There you go. This is our whip, all right? That's how we're getting away. And this is lit.
Oh, shit. How are you feeling?
Oh, great.
All right.
Attempting to blow up glass right in our faces. What could go wrong? Oh.
Son of a whore.
That breaks it.
All right, now we got our dollar store plate. We're about to try a little skeet shooting with it.
This is vaping. Vaping's cool, kids.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. Yeet. 3, 2, 1. I'm gonna hit it this time.
All right. Oh my gosh!
In hindsight, that was a horrifically stupid idea.
Oh, I
confirmed potato beats plate.
Yeah, potato beats plate. Be careful when making potatoes. Look at this dude. I have to get rid of my old monitor for you know, it's not good anymore, so.
Yeah, we've been doing a lot of editing with it, and
Yeah, the
I don't think
editing-
it's happy anymore.
Yeah.
We're gonna have to destroy it.
We're gonna get myself a new one though. Oh my gosh!
I think Trey's monitor is done for.
I think I'm gonna have to get myself a new monitor, boys.
Now it's broken.
I think it's done for, boys.
All right, so may have gotten the cops called on us. They kind of weren't using our land to fire off potato cannons, but the way I look at it, they're not illegal, so we didn't do anything wrong. We've evacuated the area.
Yeah.
So, our video got cut a little short. All the fun was stopped when the police showed up. We still have this entire extra sack of potatoes. So, go in the comments, tell us what you want us to do with them. You want us to eat them? You want us to shoot more of them? That's fine, but you're gonna have to subscribe to see what we end up doing with them. So hit that sub button.
Oh no.